Hey everybody, I'm going to do the problem of the playing cards. So the first one, it gives me all the ways that I can have playing cards. And in a deck of cards, you have 52 cards. You have four suits: hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. And then you have, for each of those suits, you have 13 cards. And I wrote it here to show you. For hearts, I have the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I have a jack, queen, king, and ace. I have the same for the diamonds, the clubs, and the spades. Okay, so it wants to know the probability of finding an ace on my first card and nine on my second. So the probability of finding an ace on my first card is 4, because I have four aces, over 52, because I have 52 cards. Okay, so I have that ace and I'm going to put it to the side. And what that does is that takes one card out of play. So my whole deck of cards went from 52 down to 51. All right, so finding the 9 on the second card. Remember, my first card was an ace, so I didn't touch any of the number of nines. So I still have four nines over 51 cards because I took that first card out. So if I multiply it together, I get 16 over 2,652. And if I reduce it, I get 4 over 663. All right. Part C asks, well, what if I get a 9 on the first card and an ace on the second? It's the exact same thing that we just did before. So I do a 4 over 52 because I have four nines and I originally have 52 cards. Okay, for the second card, remember it's going to be 4 because I have four aces, because an ace is not a 9, but it's going to be over 51 because I took that 9 out of the deck. And again, I multiply that together and then I go ahead and reduce. All right. So what's the probability of drawing an ace and a 9 in either order? Okay, either order. So I'm going to use the first one, which was, let me just copy it. Do 4, over 63. Let me put this on the same page. This is kind of, I don't like the way it looks. Let's do an arrow mark. Okay, so I've got that from the first one, and I've got it from the second one. Okay, so what the big thing is, what symbol am I going to put here? I didn't use the and, so I can't multiply, but what I can do is this. I can add them together. So remember, when you add fractions, you add the top, which 4 plus 4 is 8, and the bottoms have to be the same to add and subtract fractions. So that bottom number doesn't change. So my answer is 8 over 663. Hope this helps.